Hey guys, according to the EPA, indoor air quality can be 2 to 5 times worse than the outdoor air that you breathe. So what are those 4 steps to optimal indoor air quality? Number 1 starts with duct cleaning. Clean all of the dust and debris that has built up over years and years and years inside of your duct system. Step number 2 is sealing those ductworks. How did that dust get in there? We want to seal all those crevices that have that are leaking into the attic spaces or behind your walls. You want to seal those up and not suck that into your ductwork and then ultimately into your home. Number 3, what we want to do is take that fresh outdoor air and bring it indoors, and then take the stale indoor air and push it outside. What that does is it's circulating that air, bringing the fresh air in, obviously. And then step number 4 is filtration. You don't want to just bring outdoor air and just dump it into your house. What you want to do is filter it and then preheat it or remove the moisture from that air. And that will get you the optimal indoor air quality. So remember these 4 steps: cleaning the ductwork, seal the ductwork, ventilate your home, and then filter the air inside your home. So hopefully this checklist helps you out when you're looking at improving the indoor air quality of your home. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at Metro Heating and Cooling, 515-266-3693.